need to check the alignment on Section 7 before the next shift.
I already signed off on it. The tolerances are within spec. Okay, we're flush here. How's your side?
We're set, ready for machining.
Align it right there, just above the laser guide.
Got it. Securing the clamp now.
Check the starboard rib, it's slightly off. Yeah,
Adjusting the jig now. How does that look on the readout?
perfect. We have alignment.
Okay, this section is secure.
Moving to the next rib, copy that.
Hold it steady. The holes are lined up.
Perfect.
Perfect. Securing it now.
The center line is steady at nominal. Confirmed. Spacing checks out. Reference point 4 is aligned.
A little lower on your side, Clay. Watch that edge. Got it. Looks aligned now. Position confirmed, ready for securing. Easy now, watch the clearance. Okay, that's flush. Copy that. Starting the fasteners.
Check the alignment on station 42. Reading steady. Proceed with fastening.
Alignment on section 49er is perfect. Verified. Data logged on the tablet.
All right, team, the frame check is complete.
Reading confirmed, 45.2 millimeters.
Data matches the schematic.
Location verified.
Okay, easy now. Check the orientation against the frame.
Confirmed. The mounting locations line up perfectly.
Easy now, bring it left just a fraction. Right there, looks aligned. Confirmed. Go ahead and clamp it. The alignment on the starboard panel looks good. Agreed. Let's sign off on the fixture check.
Okay, bring it down slowly. Watch the alignment pin. It's in. The tolerances look good.
Looks good on this side. How's the alignment over there?
Clearance is within tolerance. We are aligned.
Okay, the surface is clean and the measurements check out. Let's guide it over.
Slow and steady. Watch the leading edge.
We're lined up here, hold steady. Looks good. Check the alignment on this structural connection here.
Looks good. No subsurface anomalies detected.
Data review complete. Everything is within specifications. Looks solid. Final approval granted.
Watch your clearance on the starboard side.
Copy that. Preparing for final stop at the bay.
Wiring harness secure on the main mount. Check.
Dimensional inspection complete. All greens.
Engine approved for installation.
Bring it down slowly, just a centimeter. Clear on the left side. Hold it there. Alignment looks good.
Ensure the torque is applied evenly on this connection here.
Confirmed. The reading is within tolerance according to the checklist. Final checks on the panel, looks good. Wiring secured. Ready for electrical testing.
Initiating power sequence, bus 1 engaged. Confirmed, steady voltage on external.
Avionics system check complete. All indicators green. Status logged.
All systems showing secure boot. Access panel closing now. Final torque checks positive.
Does this fairing match the specs on the tablet? Yes, serial numbers align. The fit is perfect. Alignment looks good, surface is even.
Confirmed. Logging the inspection complete.
Any anomalies on the upper bearing? Negative. The bore scope shows a clean surface.
Easy, easy. Bring it left a little. Watch the clearance on that side. Looks good, hold it there. Okay, easy now, bring it down slowly. Looking good, slight adjustment to the left. Seated, locking it in. Almost there, watch the clearance on the right side. Clear, clear. Holding steady, send it forward another 2 inches.
Start the torque sequence now. Confirm green light. Sequence initiated. Green confirmed.
The alignment checks out. All green on my end.
Confirmed. The main rotor is secured.
Alignment looks good on the starboard side. Hold it steady. Torquing the main bolts now. 1, 2, final click. Confirm secure.
All right, team, final checks complete on section 7.
Confirmed. All green here.
Excellent. Let's prep for ground test.
Check the torque on this one. It feels loose. Yep. Reading 25 Newton meters. A little low. All right, logging that for adjustment. Surface looks good otherwise.
Check the torque on this line right here.
So,
Looks good. It's within tolerance.
Hydro's connected and pressurized. No leaks detected. Systems check is green across the board. All right, confirm status for ground test.
All systems green, initiating rotor engagement.
Hydraulics check complete, pressure nominal.
Copy that. RPM stable at 10%.
Hydraulic pressure holding steady at 3,000 psi.
Confirmed. Engine parameters are green across the board.
Roger that. Reviewing vibration analysis now.